This 2015 Dutch bridge project was failed from the beginning, as a safety board reported. These two cranes were attempting to lift a steel portion of the new bridge before inevitably toppling over. As you can see in the video, the barge the cranes were on started to wobble, which made the cranes highly unstable, causing them to topple. The report indicated the barge was never properly secured and that the project didn't have enough safety margin built in. 20 homes were destroyed in this accident, although miraculously nobody was injured. There was, however, one person who got trapped among the rubble. There was one dog who sadly perished in the event. Rest in peace.